Yeah, sometimes you need a bit of that.
Yeah. Freshly washed. Just done. If you guys would have seen before in the older videos, a few weeks back or a few days back, depending, there's red oil all over each and every wheel and all on the bottom of the sides from whenever the last owner was wheeling it and the transfer case blew, and it just got oil everywhere. And this new product that I bought after cleaning the wheels is amazing. Don't mind the stuff right here. We're working on his Hyundai. Working on it. But look at this. That wheel is nice and clean. Let me get a good shot in the sun. That thing is nice and clean. This one I didn't scrub so well. The other ones I did. But I got them clean enough on this side. But man, they sure did come out nice. I don't know if it's coming out this clean in video, but man, that is so much nicer. The tires look like they're brand new again. I didn't really dry the wheels off that well either. They're a bit spotty, but man, that wheel sure did turn out quite nicely. Same with this one right here. This is one of the good ones that I really scrubbed on. Came out very nice. Very nice. These are nice wheels too. Ion alloy. They were like $100 a piece, maybe $110 a piece. Really like them. But as you can see from the past time that the last owner had it was sitting for 6 months, so it has got a little bit more oxidation done out to it. So my plan too also is to take off the stickers, remove those completely, get it back to all stock looking, no stickers or anything, just nice lift tires, wheels, and the covers on there just so that fifth wheel don't get all sun rotted, because this is Arizona after all. But don't mind any of the stuff underneath it, because that is all just old stuff. Ain't gonna need that no more. I'm just too lazy to get it out. I haven't got the grommet yet. Still gonna get the grommet and fill the transfer case. I have not done that yet. But yesterday I did give it a nice, beautiful wash. Sure does look beautiful. That is for sure. Sure does look good. Nice and clean once more. I'm happy about that completely. It's nice and washed once more. Now, I still have tons to do with this Jeep Liberty, but it really needed a wash after sitting for so long. It really needed a wash. So that's the reason why I had to get that done yesterday. I had to get it done, or today. I had to get it done, and then we just started working on this. But now that it's all done, I'm happy about that. The headlights are starting to oxidize, only a little bit. You can't really see it on camera at all, but the headlights are oxidizing, starting to. It sucks, but hey, they're already over a year old. The fog lights have not started that yet, but they are over a year old. I'm going to be repainting these guys. I just got a bolt off. I'm going to be repainting that as soon as we're done with this over here. I just want to make a quick video. There's one of the bolts and washers, but I'm going to be repainting those with some cans. Just going to go a nice flat black. That's what I'm planning on. But yeah, that's how it's looking right now. Nice and clean. And yeah, I'm happy about it. It's looking good. 5-inch lift on 33-inch tires. 295s. Let me know what you guys are running on yours. Anything from 30s all the way up to 35s or even bigger. So let me guys know what you're running on yours. And yeah, but as you guys know, it is filthy in the inside of this thing. I haven't gotten around to doing it quite yet, but I'm going to. As you see, it is quite filthy, but no big deal. I will be taking care of every square inch of the inside of here once I get it all done and taken care of. So, yeah, I am happy about that. One happy camper. I wonder if any of this will buff out. Possibly not. I don't know. We'll have to see about that. I am happy about this. It's looking good. I'm sorry I didn't get any footage of washing it. I didn't have enough time. It was the sun's going down, and I just wanted to get it done really quickly and get it all taken care of. But yeah, this thing was filthy. Filthy. I can't remember if I got pre-recording of letting you guys know I'm going to wash it and how dirty it was, but if you didn't see it, just look at the last video, and this thing was filthy. I still have yet to scrub the undercarriage of this whole thing because it's full of that tranny oil that I was talking about. See, it's everywhere. It's all over the place, even on the shock. Everywhere. That's the new drive shaft from the junkyard. And the new transfer case also. But yeah, look at all of that. That is just filthy. So we're going to be getting that cleaned up too really soon here. Getting that all taken care of. But yeah, I wanted you guys to see that and take a look and show you just how good and clean it actually looks after I have washed it. But all right, let's get to painting these things. I've already got the impact. It is a 19 mil, and then they're bolts. So I've got the wrench back here holding the back of this bolt. This one's already broken loose. I mean, this one's already off. It's down there. So let me get this one taken care of. Let me see if I can get you guys set up here. There it is right there. I'm gonna get these things back to black again. Make them look. Let me show you guys this side now. The one in the back. There's the other one. As you can see, it's all chipping off and stuff from the last owner. So we're going to fix these up and make them real clean now. After getting this thing nice and washed, we're going to put some nice good black paint on this. It's going to be flat black, but that's okay. We're going to make it look real good. Maybe we'll just wire brushing what I can and cannot get off of here. Should be dipping it in gas or something, but you know, doing it one hand is not the easiest. So let me do a little bit more and I'll get back to you. It's as much as I can get off, you guys. So I'm just going to throw a coat of paint over that, and we'll call it good. So let me get to that right now. A bit drippy too, because that cap is messed up. It's much better. This is just a quick job, nothing fancy. Just gonna get them looking a little better than what they did, because that's what matters. I was thinking about leaving them red, but I decided not to. I just want to get this done quick before the sun goes down. Before the sun does go down. Not too shabby. They'll look good. They will look good when they're up and on the Jeep. I think they will look good. This one I accidentally broke the damn top. That's why it was so damn leaky. But yeah, they won't look bad at all. They're only tow hooks, so don't need to be perfect. They're gonna get chipped up and used up anyways. They are all dried. Not the best look. You know, you see a big chip right there, but not terrible. That's how they're gonna sit in there. I think he used house paint or something on here because it's very thick and it was brushed on. So yeah, I think it was house paint. But if more of this stuff does peel off, it's black underneath, so no big deal. It's just the thick part that's red. So let's put this sucker back on right now. Now it's a 19 wrench behind it. It's a 19 millimeter. Gotta go behind the fender. Alright. Okay. Now that's on. Pretty good. This is a lock nut. Whoever owned it before I even first got it, they're the ones who installed all this. So I don't know why they used a regular nut and a lock nut. I guess just in case it fails, you still got that regular nut holding it on. So let's get to business on this. Maybe I can get it from up here. Let's see. Yep, there we go. I may need an extension. Let me grab one. Okay. Okay, seems to be tight. Now let's do the second one. Nice and tidy. Alright, just got the second one put on. I thought I pushed record, so it wasn't recording the whole time I was putting it on. So I just got the second one on, used the impact, got it all done. So now we got the two black hooks. They do look a lot better black, I think. Some people would disagree, I'm sure, which is fine, but I think they look a lot better black. Yeah, I think they do look a lot better when they're black. In my opinion, that's what I think. They've always been black. When I bought it, I just threw a fresh coat of black on them when I bought it, and then he painted them red, so I wanted to throw them back to black again and get that all taken care of. But after all of it, I'm happy with how this darn thing is coming up. Back out. I gotta get these stickers off. I think I'm gonna take them all off. Get it back to good again. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. It was small, it was quick, just a quick walk around showing you guys something like that. Just letting you guys see every single tip and detail about that whole Liberty. Because as I said, I want you guys to be walked through with it as I go along and fix the things that I want. So as you guys know, thank you for following along. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you all. I appreciate it so much. But as you know, this is Fun Automotive, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.